Hey there! Here's a little brain teaser for you. A ball and a bat cost $1.10 total. The bat is $1 more expensive than the ball. How much does the ball cost?
10 cents, right?
Wrong! If the ball costs 10 cents, then the bat is $1, making it only 90 cents more than the ball. Therefore, the ball has to cost 5 cents, and the bat $1.05, making it $1 more than the ball. Don't feel bad. Almost everyone makes this mistake. You just used System 1 thinking when you should have been using System 2. In his book, Thinking Fast and Slow, Nobel Prize winner Daniel Kahneman explores the two thinking systems that we use when making decisions. System 1, which is fast, intuitive, and unconscious, and the more calm, slow, rational, consciously controlled System 2. The first excels at quick actions like reacting to a car horn in traffic, whereas the second is used for more complex reasoning skills like solving math problems. When people first hear the bat and ball problem, System 1 jumps in and gives the apparently obvious answer based on intuition. But in fact, the problem is a little bit more complex than it seems at first glance. Which is why the correct solution requires System 2.
So how do you make use of this insight? Next time, before answering what seems like a simple question, take a second and let your System 2 thinking kick in.
Want to know more? Blinkist has distilled the key ideas of Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman so that you can learn how we go about making our decisions in just 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.